So, we are doing a math problem right now. I am drawing our positives, and which is bubble gum, because
They look like frogs.
because everyone likes bubble gum, and they're okay. So, our math problem is -4 plus 6 minus -1. And so what I picture is the negative is jalapenos because, nobody likes jalapenos. And then the positives are like the bubble gum because everybody usually likes bubble gum. So basically what you would do is whatever the bigger number is always defeats the smaller number. So there's only 4 negatives and there's 6 positives. So what you would do is
There's another
basically you would I know.
Okay.
So basically what you would do is you would do like this. So these cancel out each other. And then this cancels out each other. And then this cancels out each other. Then this cancels out this. So there's no more negatives. So we have 2 positives left. So you do 2. And now our new problem is 2 minus -1. So what my teacher taught me last year is you add and then you switch. Like if it's negative, you switch it to a positive, and if it's a positive, you switch it to a negative. So in this instant, we're going to take away the negative, and we would get 3. So our answer would be 3. So that's really good. So. What are you doing for face? Alright. Alright. Now you are going to explain how you demonstrate it, Michaela. Okay. Ready?
Okay. No, you're right.
Okay.
Okay, so write a problem. Like an easy one. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. That's really easy. Okay. So basically, okay, how to explain this? Each one, you would write 5 negatives, so put a negative sign in parentheses 5 times.
So.
Yeah, 5 times. Okay, and in this case you would subtract 3 of them, so erase 3. Yeah. And then you're adding a +4, so put positives under the negatives. Okay, and so basically those cancel each other out.
So it would be like
Yeah,
this.
kind of like the last one. So it's pretty much the same thing. They cancel each other out. And you're left with 2 positives.
So that is our answer, and I hope you
Wait,
know.
that did not. I did not explain that. No, now let's try a different problem with mine because that was really easy.
Okay. So now we're gonna try just doing a negative minus a positive because some of you guys may not know how to do that. So I will do -7 minus 12.
Okay. So you represent those with the parentheses.
Negative. So we're going to draw 7 of these. Oops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. And then you draw 12.
12 positive. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
This is a good example. actually.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay. But you're subtracting a positive, so in order to subtract them, you have to you have to add 12 negatives.
So what you would do is you would change this.
Wait, no, like so in order to subtract those, you need like negatives under them to even them out or whatever. So draw 12 negatives. So like just under all those. So wait, okay, you don't have to draw them all. So say there's negatives under all of them.
So there's there's 12 negatives under this.
So you would subtract all the positives, and you're left with 7 negatives and then 12 extra. So you pretty much 7 plus 12,
which would be
19.
so
Yeah, 19.
and like what would it be, positive or negative?
Negative 19 actually,
Yes. So it would be
because there'd be only
Equals
negatives left.
19. So that is the right answer. And okay, and also a good problem would be and another good problem would be this. Would be if you didn't know how to do this, you would do the opposite. So maybe 8 minus negative
You're 8.
4. What?
Okay, keep going.
Okay, so the 8 minus negative 4, if you didn't know how to do that, you would do the 8 candies. So I'm just going to draw circles.
Or the positive in parentheses, pretty much.
Yeah, so you do 8 candies, and then you would do those jalapenos, which I'm just going to go like that. These are our jalapenos, and there's 4 of them. Okay, so you know how these are negative? Well, I always learned how to do positive and then turn these into positive 4. So the answer would be 8 plus 4 equals 12. So I think we covered all of the problems that you can do with negative
With
and
pictures, pretty much. And so, go over, how you would change them. You would change this into a positive because
Okay, so you technically can't do 8 minus negative 4 because, I don't know, you just can't.
What's the original problem?
8 minus negative 4. So you technically can't do that. So a reason why you would add it is because you can't do that. That's not allowed in math, I guess. So you would reverse the sign.
But then you'd have to take off the negative if you reverse
Yeah.
the, what's it called?
Reverse
What's it called? Equation or something like that? Whatever, if you reverse that, then you have to take off the negative sign or add the negative sign, pretty much. That's the way you're going. So,
I hope you guys learned how to do negative and positive number addition.
yeah,
and
using 10 minutes of your time.
You stop it.
Okay.